The facts. There is a cyber attack every 39 seconds. The U.S. will account for 50% of breached data by 2023. Cybercriminals stole around $12 billion in 2019. According to CompareTech, 79% of organizations were victims of a cyber attack in 2019. Business statistics. How cyber attacks affect businesses. According to Verizon, 43% of breached victims were small businesses. Only 5% of company folders are properly protected on average. Data breaches exposed 4.1 billion records in the first half of 2019. 90% of CIOs admit to wasting millions on inadequate cybersecurity. Personal statistics. How cyber attacks affect individuals. 36% of compromised data is personal info. 90% of attacked devices are routers and connected cameras. 1 in 3 Americas are affected every year by these attacks. Careers in cybersecurity. Rapidly growing need for cybersecurity professionals. It is estimated that globally there will be 3.5 million unfilled jobs in cybersecurity by 2021. The cybersecurity unemployment rate is at 0% in 2019, where it's been since 2011. Cybersecurity engineer is the most in-demand security position for 2020. The average annual salary for this position is $106,000 a year. Course offerings. It starts April 6, 2020. We're offering a full-time and part-time class. Become CompTIA certified in just 12 or 20 weeks. Class days are split into 3 parts: pair work, mentor-led instruction, lecture and lab.